Hey everyone, in this video we will be showing you how you can active your debit card in the RBC account. So first of all you have to download the mobile application of Royal Bank from the Play Store, and after the downloading the application you have to sign in with your account, and after signing in you have to navigate to the managing card and uh, click on the manage card. From there you have to follow these instructions. From after you going in manage card, you will see an option there to active your virtual visa debit. If you are activating a virtual debit card, click on this option. You can also choose view virtual visa debit to see more details about the card before activation. uh, so when you are ready to make an online purchase, you will need to choose Visa or Visa Debit as your payment option. Enter your RBC virtual Visa debit card number along with your expiry date and with CVV2. Don't forget to include your name and billing address. Once everything is entered, you will receive a confirmation, and that's it. You are done. Your RBC virtual Visa debit card is now activated, and you are ready to use it. If you video found this video very helpful, then subscribe to the channel. Thank for watching.